Good evening, children. Welcome to ninth standard draw live quiz. Welcome to the English grammar class. So let's all begin today's session. Before we start the session, please namaste. Amara Aviti class to WhatsApp group को join करो so that you get daily session updates, regular discussions way, assignments of exam updates fiber. So please join the WhatsApp group today. All right. And please you can note down Aviti ro WhatsApp number छुआ मने note down करो. The WhatsApp number is 789 404 0614. All right. I hope सब छुआ मैंने note कर लो number 789 404 0614. एटा तम सांग मन को भी please pass on करो and ask them to enroll to Aviti learning. All right, children. Aviti रो spoken English course भी होची, सेटा भी free session. Aviti रो coding class भी होची. So तमे जत्ते तम सांग मन को involve करो so that समस्ते opportunity टाको use करके आगो को बढ़ी परिबे. So do not forget to inform to your friends. All right? Okay. So children, Ajiro session is on determiners. Determiners. So basically aji ame a chapter ta padhiba. I think tamara English textbook re determiners is I think your 6th or 7th chapter if I'm not mistaken. Tenu se bisare aji ame padhiba. This etar kali bhi same session continue haba. So aji we look into 2-3 aspects of determiners and then tomorrow few more aspects. So before we start the session, what is a determiner? Simply put, माने जदि ताको simply माने एकदम easy way रे हमें put करिबा, determiner is a word that introduces a noun. जोटा noun को कोटे introduce करे, सेटा को determiner बरी कुहा जाए. It always comes before a noun and not after, and it always comes before any other adjectives used to describe the noun. So माने this is very important. The determiner is a word जोटा कि noun को कोटे introduce करे and more important noun रो पूर्वरु आसे noun परे आसे नी कोटे sentence रे noun रो पूर्वरु आसे and not after the noun and सेटा adjective रो भी पूर्वरु आसे. Adjective, it also comes before any other adjective that is describing the noun. माने आउ कोनोसी जदि adjective अछि sentence रे जोटा noun को describe करूची ताहेले determiner टा से adjective रो भी पूर्वरु आसे. So that is how तमे गुटे identify करि परिबो जे एटा determiner कि नुहे. All right. Now determiners पिला माने are mostly categorized माने तार 4-5 टा varieties. One of them is articles, quantifiers जोटारे तम cardinal आसीबो तमरो cardinals, ordinals आसी जाए, plus demonstrative determiners आसे, interrogative determiners आसे and possessive determiners आसे. Okay, so आमे से सबो आगो को पढ़िबा जेतर सब गोटे गोटे धरि के पढ़िबा. आजी we will concentrate on possessive determiners, demonstrative determiners and also predeterminers. सेटा भी गोटे बहुत important जिंस predeterminers आमे demonstrative and possessive determiners आजी we will go through. So type of determiners always children depend करे on the type of noun. तम noun जेमिति determiner टा सेमति हुए. एटारे कोन छुआ माने नोटिस करो that singular noun जदि अछि ता संगे सबो बेले गोटे determiner थिबो. With a singular noun you always have a determiner. Okay, जेमति an apple, a umbrella, okay, sorry, the train. So एमति सब determiners आसे to when it is a singular noun. With plural nouns the determiner is optional. तमे use करि पारो or you may not. Okay, apples are healthy. You can say the apples are healthy or you can just say apples are healthy. Are healthy for you. Apples are important for your diet. You don't have to say the apples necessarily. Okay. So similarly, uncountable nouns re The determiner is again optional. Use karila, not karila, it is okay. But with singular nouns, you always need a determiner. Okay? Now, let us go and see what are the different kinds of determiners. Okay? Predeterminers, re, we have got all of, half, half of, both, double, twice, quite, rather, such, what, etc. These all come under predeterminers. So, and then what are articles? Articles be one type of determiners. Already janithiba, a, and the. Now, demonstrative determiners, re, this, these, that, and those are say. Possessive determiners, re, my, our, your, his, her, its, out there. So these are the important determiners जोटा हमें ए टेबल रे हमें पाउचे टेबल टाको तमे मने रखि परिबो आ मु तमन को कहितली से जो हमें प्रीवियस एठी देखिथिले क्वांटिफायर्स demonstrative possessive articles and interrogatives ता बाहरे we have got ordinals and cardinals. Ordinals रे जेमति नंबरिंग first second next last third fourth एउडा सब ordinals रे आसे. कार्डिनल्स को न्यूमरल्स भी कहा जाए जोटा कि नंबर्स आसे 1 2 3 10 100 1000 लाइक दैट. सो ऑर्डिनल्स एंड कार्डिनल्स. एंड व्हाट आर क्वांटिफायर्स? क्वांटिफायर्स रे जोटा तमे क्वांटिटी टाकू क्वांटिफाई करि परिबो माने गोटे एग्जैक्ट नंबर नाही बट यू कैन जस्ट टेल द अमाउंट जेमति मच सम एनी मेनी इनफ lot of plenty of little few all both another एवढा सब आसे तम क्वांटिफायर से. What are distributive determiners? Each, every, either, neither. And what are interrogative determiners? What, which, whose, etc. So basically तमे determiners ए सब तम determiners, predeterminers, articles, demonstrative determiners, possessive determiners, ordinals, cardinals or numerals, quantifiers, distributives, and interrogatives. A chart ta mane rakho chua mane so that you know you get a very clear picture. A chart को तमे note down भी करी पारा किंबा तम textbook रे भी थाई पारे एमती chart जदि अछि भलो कथा or else you can copy this chart later on. Okay. Now, very important thing, children, determiner or adjective cry confusion ase. What is the difference between a determiner and an adjective? An adjective भी noun पूर्वरु ase. Okay, सेटा भी noun को describe करे. So what is the difference? केमती तमे difference ता जानिबो जे determiner और adjective ता. काइना दीटा को noun पूर्वरु ase, दीटा को noun को describe करे. So what is the difference? Does that mean determiner or adjective are same? No. Determiner and adjectives are not same. Adjective को तमे grade करी परिबो माने ता intensity टाको तमे grade करी परिबो. For example, big, big टाको तमे big, bigger, biggest करी परिबो. किंबा small, it is a small house. You say small टाको is an adjective. सेटाको तमे तार intensity जणे परिबो केमती smaller, smallest एमती कहि परिबो. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. ता माने adjective can always be graded in terms of its intensity. माने केते सुंदर, बहुत अधिका सुंदर. So सेमिति किछि भी गोटे adjective को तमे बहुत intensity रे ताकू तमे जणाई परिबो. Whereas determiner रो intensity को जणाई हबनी माने ताकू grading करी हबनी. ता माने सहज word रे determiner रे er किंबा est लगे हबनी. All right, जदि हो सेटा noun पूर्वरु आसे you cannot add an er or est काहेकि ना determiner रो intensity नहीं. Thesest एमती नहीं. Those is those. Thatest एमती नहीं. Okay, so that is how you identify and you differentiate between a determiner and an adjective. Now, आमे देखिले चार्ट रे छुआ माने प्री डिटर्मिनर्स. सो अच्छा आउ गोटे डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिटर्मिनर एंड एडजेक्टिव इज गोटे सेंटेंस रे तमे एडजेक्टिव काढी देले ग्रामेटिकली से सेंटेंस रे किछि गड़बड़ हबनी. फॉर एग्जांपल शी इज अ ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. तमे जदि ब्यूटीफुल इज आवर एडजेक्टिव, ब्यूटीफुल जदि काढी देलो से सेंटेंस रे किछि तमरा असुविधा हबनी. ग्रामेटिकली दैट सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट. She is a girl is correct. So when you remove an adjective, गोटे सेंटेंस रो ग्रामर रे किछि असुविधा हुएनी. किंतु डिटर्मिनर्स तमे जदि काढी देलो सेंटेंस रु बहुत स्ट्रांग ग्रामेटिकल एरर होई पारे हुए. माने जदि ठीक जगह रे डिटर्मिनर यूज करिना किंबा डिटर्मिनर न यूज करिबा फल रे गोटे सेंटेंस रो ग्रामेटिकल एरर बहुत किछि हेई पारे. So that is another difference between a determiner and an adjective. एठी छुआ माने हमें देखिले जे ए चार्ट रे there is something called predeterminers जोटारे all of half of ए सबु हमर अछि both double twice quite rather. So what is a predeterminer? Predeterminers are the words which occur before a determiner to limit the meaning of a noun. So it comes before a determiner to limit the meaning of a noun. For example, all the boys joined the race. Boys is your noun, the is your determiner. Seda articles say a and the hame padiche. The is your determiner. But what is all? All becomes your predeterminer. Okay? Similarly, you will get all the information. Information noun ହେଇଗଲା ତା ଆଗରୁ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତମ determiner ହେଇଗଲା the ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କଣ ଆସିଛି all. So all always will limit the meaning of a noun. ମାନେ you will get all the information. ତମେ ସବୁ information ପାଇବ. ତା ମାନେ limit କରିଦଉଛି ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକା ନାହିଁ. So you will get all. So all is your predeterminer. Senti, he drank half of the milk. He drank half of the milk. Milk is your noun, the is your determiner. So what is your predeterminer here? Half of. Alright children. So these are the predeterminers which come before the determiner. Now, ame ao gote next ame dekhiba what are possessive determiners. Possessive determiners are my, our, your, his, her, its, their. The possessive determiners are used to show possession. Possession mane किछि गोटे तमर निजर किंबा काहार काहा जिंस किंबा तम जिंस किंबा तांकर अमर ए सबु जिंस ए सबु पई we have to use possessive determiners. For example, what is her age? तार एज कोण तार तांकर अमर सेमानकर all these things yours ours theirs ए सबु are your possessive determiners. Your daughter is beautiful. Tamo jhiyo is beautiful. So tamara amara. Okay. Our neighbor is a rich man. Ammo neighbor is a rich man. So ए सबु are your possessive determiners. Okay, children, let's start our quiz on predeterminers first. Okay, there will be three questions on predeterminers, and then we'll go to possessive determiners of quiz haba. So get ready, children. The first question is: he gets dash the pay I get. He gets dash the pay I get. Your options are almost the same, lesser than, twice. Please use a proper predeterminer. Please use a proper predeterminer, almost the same, lesser than, twice. So, your countdown begins now. All right, children, let me show you the answer. The answer is C. Both छुआ मैंने A और B type करूଛ. The answer is C because he gets twice the pay I get. माने से मोठू दी गुणा पे पाउची, दी गुणा अधिका सैलरी पाउची. As a sentence तमे जति form करिवो, he gets lesser than the pay I get. It's fine. But here we are stressing on predeterminers. So you have to give it in such a way that the noun gets माने सेटाको ताठू अधिका से जेमती पाइबनी. And it has to come before your determiner the. So he gets twice the pay I get. All right, children. Next question. It was dash a shock. It was dash a shock. The options are quite, not, hardly. And your countdown begins now. All right, so let me show you the answer, children. It was quite a shock. It was quite a shock. Okay, so because we have to use a predeterminer here, it has to come before the determiner A and it has to limit the noun. Shock it was quite a shock. माने काफी shock हला, काफी मु shock थी गई. Okay, so the right answer, children, is A. All those who have typed in A, very well done. Next, let's go to the third question. He has dash a cute dog. Options are very, such, quite. You can type in your answer and your countdown begins now. All right, let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer is B. He has such a cute dog. Mane ता पाखरे एते गोटे cute dog te achi. He has such a cute dog. All right, so such becomes your predeterminer. All right, children. So now let's go to the next one, next slide. All those children who have typed B, congratulations, very well done. Now, this one, Chhamane, itara mo options kichi deini, but I've given you multiple choice. तमको जोटा ठीक लागुची दीटा को fill in the blanks रे fill in करिवो. Dash brother is dash friend. Okay, children, from here it is possessive determiners. एठू आरंभ हैला possessive determiners रो question. So please put in the right answer. Dash brother is dash friend. The options are he, she, his, my, Raj, Rajas, Raj apostrophe S and you. So you can take any two words and fill in the blank. All right, your countdown starts now. I'll give you a hint. एटारे दीटा आंसर है पारे. दीटा आंसर right answer होबो. So please type in, children. I'll wait. I'll wait till you people answer. I'll give you some more time. Please type in your answers. You can use any two words from the options given. He, she, his, my, Raj apostrophe S, you. Dash brother is dash friend. Possessive determiners. Possessive determiners. Please type in the word children, okay? Dita ko words type in karo, I'm waiting. All right. All right, children, the answer is there can be two answers. Because it is possessive determiners, we can say his brother is my friend. You can say my brother is his friend. And of course, there could be one more answer also, three answers. Raj's brother is my friend. Raj apostrophe brother is my friend. Or Raj apostrophe S, Raj's brother is his friend. Okay, so देखिपार्चो कितने options है पढ़ी. Very well done, children. I can see many children typing Raj apostrophe S my. Some children are typing in his and my. Very well done. Very well done. Very well done, children. I'm really happy that all of you are able to get in the right answers. All right. So there are four answers which can be right. My brother is his friend. His brother is my friend. Raj's brother is my friend. Okay. Or my brother is Raj's friend. So ଏଟାରେ ଚାରିଟା ତମେ answer କରିପାରିବ. All the four would be right. Very well done. Let's go to the next question, children. Now here again you have to use the proper possessive determiner. Do you know dash value? Do you know dash value? And your countdown begins now. Please use the right possessive determiner. All right. Let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer is C. Do you know its value? Its is your possessive determiner. Do you know its value? ତମେ ତାର value ଜାଣିଛ କି? ତାହାର its value. Do you know its value? All right. All those children who have typed in it, very well done. And let's proceed to the next question. Dash house is very big. Dash house is very big. Options are that, there, which. Options are that, there, which. Please use the right possessive determiner. And your countdown begins now. All those children who have typed in it for the last question, very well done. Please answer this question. All right, let me show you the right answer. The right answer is B. their house is very big. अच्छा छुआ माने एठी that house is very big is also grammatically correct कहना that भी गोटे determiner but जेहेतु एटारे आमे possessive determiner को stress करूचे so your right option has to be their house is very big तांको घर बहुत बड़ that house is very big is also right but that is another determiner that doesn't come under possessive determiner. Okay, so we will go through that determiners later on. Okay, so here the right answer is their house is very big. Now let's go to the next one. All right, children, take a break. Let us all of us download our Aviti Learning app. Ask your friends please to download and install Aviti Learning app. It is available on please Play Store. So ସମସ୍ତେ download करो and नवम श्रेणीर छुआମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ classes ଚାଲୁଛି ଯେମିତି କି ଭୂଗୋଳ ଅଛି ଅର୍ଥନୀତି ଅଛି ତାପରେ ରାଜନୀତି ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଇତିହାସ ଅଛି ଆଉ ନବମ ଶ୍ରେଣୀ ଜୀବ ବିଜ୍ଞାନ ଅଛି ହେଲା so ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ତମର courses ଅଛି please enroll yourself and avail the opportunity. Okay, ଆମେ ए पूर्व क्वेश्चन रे छुआ माने देखिथिले जे मो गोटे ऑप्शन देथिली that house is very big also I said it's grammatically right किंतु that is what determiner सेउडा को demonstrative determiners बोली कुहा जाए. Demonstrative determiners are four varieties: this, these, that, those. This, these, that, those. The demonstrative determiners are used to talk about persons or things that have already been mentioned. जोटा already गोटे जिंस हो गोटे लोक हो जा विषय already mention करा हेची ता विषय जोटा कुहा जाए जोटा जो डिटरमिनर को यूज करा जाए सेउडा को डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डिटरमिनर्स बोली कुहा जाए. This, these refer to the things that are near and can be seen. THIS this and THESE these एटा जोटा हमें पाखरे अछि जोटा देखिबा को पाउचे सेटा को जेतेबेले हमें रेफर करूचे we have to use this and these. Now that and those are used to refer to things that are at a distance जोटा टिके दूर रे अछि जो जिंस गोटे दूर रे अछि किंबा गोटे लोक दूर रे अछि किछि जिंसटा दूर रे अछि सेटा को तमे कोन यूज करिवो but which can be seen तमे तुमको देखा जाउची but गोटे डिस्टेंस रे अछि सेउडा रे तमे को डिटरमिनर यूज करिवो that and those. So this, these, that, those are called demonstrative determiners. For example, she bought these books. What did she buy? These books. से ए बुक जाकू किनिला तमने तम पाखरे अछि से बुक आ तमे देखि पाछो so you will use THESE. All right, she bought those things. She bought those things from the market. So those माने से किछि जिंस किनिला सेई जिंस किनिला टिके मे भी से जिंस जाक तमठु दूर रे अछि जोरा तमे देखि पारुचो तमे काकू कहउचो शी पड़ते सेई जिंस सब किनिला से सेउडा किनिला तमको टिके दूर रे अछि बट तमको देखा जाउची. In those cases you will use THOSE. So THIS and THESE you will refer to things that are near and can be seen. Now THAS that and THOSE those use करिवो जेतेबेले गोटे डिस्टेंस रे गोटे जिंस कि लोक अछि आ जोटा तमे देखि भी पारुछ. Okay, आउटे जिंस छुआ माने this and that are used for singular nouns and these and those are used for plural nouns. For example, can you lift that box? Eta box hochi singular noun, so you will use which demonstrative determiner? You will use that. And if you want to ask add with a plural noun, so what is the determiner you will use? For example, do you like those books? Would you like to buy those shoes? Would you like to buy these pictures? So jotare tamara plural tama noun ta. For example, books hela, pictures hela, apples hela, anything which any noun which is plural There you will have to use these or those. Now let us do some exercises, children. Let us start our quiz now. Here only demonstrative determiners you have to use. All right. I met her dash week. Your options are this, the, first. Please use only demonstrative determiners. Your countdown begins now. Very well, children. Most of you, Anchal, Rudran, Narayan, Kunal, all of you are typing the right answer. Sita Mohanty, all of you are typing in the right answer. Kirti, Smaranika, Tutu Mishra, all of you. Very well done, children. So sorry, I have to show you the right answer. The right answer is this. Very well done, children. I met her this week. Okay. So next, let's go to the next one. Dash boys are very naughty. Options are those, few, many. Please, your countdown begins now and please type in your right answer. Let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer is option A, those. Those boys are very naughty. Remember, whether you use many boys are naughty or few boys are very naughty, it's also a right sentence. But जेहेतु हमें demonstrative determiners विषय में कथा होचे, so the right answer is those. Those boys are very naughty. All those children who have typed A, congratulations, very well done. I can see most of the children have typed in A, very well done. Next one. I have already met dash man. Options are A, the, that. Please type in the right demonstrative determiner. Your countdown begins now. All right, here the right answer is children C. I have already met that man. I have already met that man. Okay, because we are using demonstrative determiners only. I have already met that man. All those children who have typed in C, very well done. I can see most of you are typing in the right answers. So very good. So let's go to the last question of today's quiz. Dash girls have finished their homework. Dash girls have finished their homework. Options are many, these, all. We will only use demonstrative determiner and your countdown begins now. All right, let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer is these girls have finished their work. Option B. Because हमें only ए विषय demonstrative determiner use करिबा, तेणु the right answer is these. But otherwise, all girls have finished their work is also a right sentence. But then all is a predeterminer and we are only talking about demonstrative determiners. Hence, the right option is B here. You can also use many girls have finished their work. That is also a right sentence. But it is not a demonstrative determiner. Only these girls have finished their work is using with a demonstrative determiner. That forms the right sentence with a demonstrative determiner. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoyed today's session. I enjoyed explaining everything to you. Kalira session also will be a continuation on determiners. We will do articles, interrogative determiners, एमती आउ अन्य जाक जहाँ हमें कंप्लीट करने those we will see. So सेटा कालीर क्लास रो क्विज रे हबो. So I enjoyed taking today's class, and let all of you please enroll to Aveti Learning. As always, please subscribe for it, and click the bell icon also. So thank you, children. Thank you for joining me on Aveti Learning platform. I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a nice day, and congratulations to all the children, because I see most of you have done very well. Most of you have done very well. Thank you.